split the other side panels. I told you it's We have 2005 BMW 321i. I'm going to change out the radio. This is a heater control. We're going to relocate it to bottom by this pocket here, and double DIN radio up here. Cosmo like to have a wireless CarPlay Android Auto up there. What we're going to do is remove the wood grain panel on the middle of the dash on the passenger side. There's a panel popper. And this comes out. Come this side. Once you take that out, now you can access the screws for the radio. So remove the screws. Radio just slide out. This locking thing is busted, but just pull all the way up and this thing comes out. The second step is we're going to remove this.
It's just pull.
Yeah, you know what? Let's remove this plastic bezel because we're going to have to get rid of that.
Okay.
I think you got to take this out too, no?
I don't think so.
Alright, let's pull it out. The top one comes out. Be careful, that thing breaks.
Yeah.
There's a panel popper from the bottom. That breaks. Be careful. That thing dried. It comes out. It's just wedged in. There's a locking clip. Be careful, it breaks. I'm telling you. So we're gonna take the heater control out first. This wedge in. This comes out. Detach. There's a screws right here too. Oh, it's old, so everything is dried up. Screws. Another screw. Let's see if you can just slide this one out underneath. Maybe. Nope. The top air vent is very tight and sometimes they do break. Wasn't gonna take it out, but we were able to pull that out. Just be careful because if you do break them, they do break. And I know this is a real frazzle. So there's a clip right here, and one's underneath, and those have been there for 20 years and they are real tight and dry. And a lot of times they do break. When they break, you may damage the inner part that moves in and out like this, up and down. It's going to be very difficult to align that. So try not to damage it. If you do, you may want to buy this thing off of eBay or something. But we were able to take that out without damaging it. So once you have this one out, then that plastic frame that holds the original heater control and the radio, by removing 4 screws, it comes out. So once you have it out, now you have a big enough space for the new radio here. Okay, so next step, the thing we're gonna do is remove this boot. Underneath, there are screws. There are 2 screws there. Grain comes out, so slide this one inward. Maybe you can disconnect this. No, you can just slide out. Let's remove these two screws here. Now you can remove the entire pedal. What you do is put your hand behind through this where the heater control was. Then you should be able to pull out this pocket like that, and this thing comes out, and that's where heater control will be located. Like this. That's where it's gonna be. Alright, so new dash kit comes with this replacement bezel. If customer said, I don't want to lose ashtray, which is down here, then you just simply pull out the heater, pocket, put the heater control down here. If customer said, I don't need ashtray, replace it, then you put this one here. So it's your call. You can either replace it, lose the ashtray, or just pull out the pocket and put the heater control down here. So it comes with a little plastic piece here. So you're gonna put this over here, and the face plate clips onto that. You're gonna have to mount the side bracket. There are left and right written on it. So we are mounting the side brackets. You may have to align the depth of it because this thing snaps in like that. So make sure there's no gap when you slide in. That looks okay. Microphone right by the mirror. Run the wire up here, bring it down, and we're gonna run this cross behind the radio. And wiring is very simple. A few people got upset because we skipped this part. It's pretty straightforward. Yellow goes to yellow, red goes to red, blue goes to blue, green goes to green. Just match the color. Nothing special trick. They're kind of universal. And only one that you may want to double check is the orange wire. Some companies use orange wire as a reverse wire. Most companies use orange wire as a demo, but not 100%.
Fue puta.
Beautiful bill.
You phone when you bring your number. Metra. Bravo Supermarkets.
Planning your summer staycation with the season's hottest styles, consumer reports, recommended mattresses, decor, and more, all available with flexible. I see.
Look. No reach.
Ding-a-dinga, ding-a-dinga.
Wait.
Yo sabía que por ahí era el tren. Tu cuerpo estremecer para que comprendas que siempre seré.
Wait, wait, wait.
Click the side panel was. I told him it's in the car. Thank you.